Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "She crashed multiple cars, now she faces the consequences."
I'm fucking turn around. Yes, I'm fucking serious. How about that? What they fucking doing? Look at this video. What they say? The fuck off!
Inside a Miami Beach parking garage, what should have been a routine DUI investigation suddenly explodes into chaos as multiple officers are forced to wrestle a woman to the ground while she screams and tries to break free. It's a moment that looks extreme when viewed on its own, especially without context. But this arrest didn't start here. Before the struggle, before the shouting, and before a calm investigation spiraled completely out of control, let's see how 34-year-old Irina Sufulina made one of the most regrettable decisions of her life. Upon arrival, they quickly make contact with a witness who explains that a woman had been driving erratically before striking multiple parked cars and eventually crashing into a wall. The witness points officers toward the suspected driver, who is still on scene. And of course, the officers made contact with her.
Hello. Do me a favor. Put the car in park. Me? Yes, you. Car in park. Stand over there. Stand over here. Over here. Out of the way. Is this your car? Yes. Is that your kid? No. Is your best friend her? Yes. Okay. Do you have your license? Yes. Are you injured? Do you need fire rescue? What? Are you injured?
Are you injured?
No.
Are you?
What language do you speak?
Russians.
Do you remember what happened to you?
She looked Russian.
You have been in an accident. No?
Explain. I don't understand.
Vehicle.
I don't understand. What do you mean accident?
Okay, so we're gonna ask someone to come to see if there's a Russian translator, okay? We're gonna try to stand over there, stand behind, just stay there. We're gonna get Russian translator, we're gonna try so you can understand.
No,
yeah,
sorry.
because you're not understanding.
I'm sorry.
We're already asking for
I
it.
speak Russian very good.
Yes, we're
What
gonna,
she mean? What she mean?
okay, we're gonna get someone, okay?
Not wanting to risk a misunderstanding, officers decide to request an interpreter. With her consent and the translator available, the officers were ready to proceed with a field sobriety test for the suspect.
I wanna pee. I wanna pee.
You want to go to the jail? That's where we're gonna go.
I wanna pee.
Listen, you're gonna make this more difficult than it needs to be. Turn around.
you fucking
Turn around. Yes, I'm fucking serious.
I wanna pee. No, fucking. Yo, stop. I wanna pee. Are you fucking serious? I wanna pee. I wanna pee. Are you fuck? What are you fucking doing? I wanna pee right now. What are you fucking doing? I wanna pee. Right now. What are you fucking doing?
Okay, you can stand up, bro.
Stand up. No, stop. Please, make us.
You're gonna make this more difficult than it actually needs to be.
Baby, please, I'm Russian. Make us this.
Okay.
Please, Masha. I wanna this.
Sit down.
Masha, make us this.
Wash your hand.
Her legs are still there. Put your legs inside.
Get inside the car.
Masha, make us this video. Fuck off.
You need to
Fuck off. I wanna. Fuck off. Masha, make a video. Masha, make a video.
Okay, that's a man. That's a good good thinking. Good thinking to move her to a different car, because the problem with that other vehicle is that it's one of those cop cars that are divided in the middle, so it's a one-seater in the back. Because they're trying to get her in there, so they need one person on the other side to yank her through. Because that's how they gonna get it done. Yank her through, get the feet all the way in, shut the door, and then push her forward and shut the door. She's a trip. And I think she understands a lot more English than what she's putting on. She know all the swear words. She know all this, all that. She know what an accident is. Or they could have said, car crash. You know what I mean? If accident is a little bit, maybe a bigger word or whatever, they could have said car crash. But also, Miami is a diverse place. So you rather be safe than sorry. That's why they ended up getting the translator. There we go. One going around. There we go. Yank her through.
The officers were definitely not expecting such a level of chaos from the woman. But in the end, she was put where she belongs. But if you thought she was done, you're mistaken. Watch this officer go on one of the most annoying rides of her life.
Oh, man. See, that alcohol is hitting her, man.
Hey, Sergeant. I'm taking an irate female to 05.
Relax. Calm down. Hello, ma'am. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Gira? 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 Okay. Ma'am, just calm down a second. Okay, before we can do anything, you need to calm down, okay? You understand? Okay, listen. Ma'am, right now, you're under arrest, okay? You understand that, right? Okay, I cannot open the door yet. You're too wound up.
Yeah, I'm okay.
We need to breathe a little bit, okay? How do you say your name? How do you? Arena. We'll call your husband in a little bit, okay?
Yeah, right now.
No, not right now. In a little bit. No, we cannot right now, okay? Listen, you've been drinking too much, okay? Arena, listen to my voice, okay? You've been drinking too much. These officers have placed you under arrest. Okay, you understand that? We not right now, but we will. We'll call. Okay?
No, call me.
No, but you need to calm down.
Okay.
Relax. You give a little bit. We give a little bit. You have to wear handcuffs. It's our policy.
Call my husband right now. Call my husband right now.
Not right now. Okay? Not right now. And a little bit later, we can call your husband. But right now, you need to work on calming down.
No, you need to call my husband.
I don't need to do anything, ma'am. What you need to do is calm down, okay? I'm trying to help you out so you don't get extra charges, okay? And so that we can communicate, okay? Do you have any injuries? No. Were you involved in an accident? No.
Call my husband.
Okay. Were you driving?
No.
You weren't driving? Okay. Okay, you sure you were involved in an accident?
No, I want to call my husband.
Okay, just relax. All right, so you don't have any injuries, right?
No.
Did you have any interaction with my officers?
No.
Okay, did they hurt you? Hello, ma'am. Did they hurt you at all, the officers?
No.
No. Okay, all right. So you don't have any injuries, right?
No.
All right.
You piece of shit.
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Why?
I'm living here.
You live
what
here.
What you're doing is
you're drinking.
You piece of shit. I'm living here.
Everybody lives here. We have to make sure that we have to make sure everybody's safe.
I'm safe. What you're doing?
Or you're safe.
It's not
No, what you're
safe.
doing is not safe. Drinking and driving is not safe.
I'm not drinking and driving. I don't do anything what I was saying.
You didn't do anything wrong.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Arena, I'm gonna work on calling your husband, okay? But what I need you to do is calm down.
You have a problem after. You have a problem after. Call my husband. No, please. Sorry, guys. Call my husband after you have a problem. Call my husband right now.
If you want to take your breath.
Call my husband right now. You after have a problem.
Listen.
I swear you got you after have a problem.
right.
Call my husband right now. Call my husband.
To call her husband.
Please,
I already
I'm
told
sorry.
her. We
Please
told-
call my husband.
Hey, listen.
Someone call my husband right
We
now.
already did. How many times I have to tell you that?
Right
That's
now,
it.
right now.
Right now, you're gonna take test or you're not gonna take test? Yes or no? That's it.
I'm going to test.
So,
You can't take it if you're going to be acting up.
yeah.
I'm going to test. Call my husband.
No, we're going to go take the test.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
What?
Yes,
You gonna stay?
just. You have a problem after. You have a problem. You wanna.
The only person with the problem is not us.
Let's go to my test right now.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
Okay?
Just listen. Can you calm down?
No.
No, you're not gonna calm down?
No. You know what? I have
We're
a
going to
question.
try to give you the opportunity
Yes.
to take this
Okay,
test.
I'll go down. But I said, come on, Pesma. Oh, protect me. You wanna have a problem? Speak with me. Okay, I go, Pesma. Who will love me, protect me. Call him right now.
Yeah, we know he loves you. Okay? But we have a job to do too.
Yes, let's do a show.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's so water.
No.
Your shoes.
Of course, I
He
know.
doesn't have shoes.
Yeah.
You took them off. She never had shoes.
I
when
have
she
a
went in.
shoes. I have a shoes. It's normal.
It's in your car. It's not in here. It's in your car.
Okay.
We'll get you some shoes.
I didn't trust you. No touch me. I trust. I not touch me.
Okay.
I trust.
I got you.
Irina Sifulina would not be escaping the consequences of that night. She faces charges of DUI and resisting arrest. But do you think the officers
Good for her, man. She's a nightmare, man. That dealing with drunk people, it takes a strong person to deal with drunk people, because the thing is that they're not acting rational, right? They're either going to be loud, obnoxious, all of those things. They're going to think that they're right. They're going to say the same things over and over and over again. And when people do things like that, it really gets under a person's skin that is not intoxicated. So I commend them officers for actually dealing with that, because it's like, man, you're driving me nuts. You're driving me to drink, okay? After work today, I'ma need a drink, all right? She need a drink. We all need a drink. You know, that's the type of vibe that happens. And honestly, in law enforcement fields, there's, you know, and this is going to go on a little tangent a little bit. Well, I'm going to keep the tangent short. But, you know, in law enforcement type of fields, there's an alcohol abuse problem. You know, it is what it is. That's the way that people bond outside of work. You know, people are going to the bars, you know, and this, that, and the third or whatever. Or they may have gone through something throughout their shift, or, you know, really rough day at work. And you can't really talk about it with the regular person. You know, the regular person isn't really going to understand it, especially for correction officers. That, you know, police may be a little bit different just because they work in the public. So they see, you know, a normal person may be walking around or whatever and see something, you know, but inside of corrections, which is my background, the stuff that goes on in there, it's like, you tell the average person this, they gonna look at you like you insane. Like, oh, you know, you got your wife or whatever. Oh, babe, how was work or whatever? You know, yeah. You know, it was all right. I just caught two guys fucking in the bathroom, you know. What? Oh yeah, it's all right. They was just using, using butter as lube. Does the average person want to hear a story like that? Really? Honestly, it's just sick. I'm telling you, I'm traumatized. Okay, it's like your mental is all off. So what do you do to relieve that? You go out, grab a couple of drinks, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. Some people actually get hooked on things like that, and it's tough. And, so that's just my little tangent or whatever. So anyway, dealing with drunk people is a tough thing. You know what I mean? And that's what, these officers and different people in law enforcement and stuff, they go through certain things that just, it's hell. Anyways. Overall I give the officers 5 out of 5. Excellent job. Definitely getting the translator. They stayed calm for the most part. Good way to think on your feet and get into the other truck instead of transporting her in the single in the divider type of truck, right? Style. So all that stuff is all good, man. So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.